Welcome back, guys. So on this video I'll be teaching us how to register someone with your link and earn your 4,000 referral bonus successfully. So to register someone with your link, all you have to do is to copy your referral link from here. You can see your invite link here. Just copy, click on copy, and it's copied already. So after copying your link, what you have to do now is to log out of your account. When you log out of your account, you click on your search bar and paste the link there. So when you paste the link there, you click on go, and you see my username is V and it's showing that is joining under V. That means that you're registering the person under you. So all you have to do now is to type the person's full name, type the person's email, at gmail.com. Put the person's username, like the person that you're referring on. Put the person's password. You can ask the person for his password that he wants to use, and use it there. Confirm the password here. Then put the person's phone number, the person that you're registering under you. Put his phone number, and then coupon code here. This is where you purchase coupon code from your vendor. Purchase from any coupon vendor on the website. So once you purchase your coupon code, you paste it here. Coupon code works only once, so you can use to register only one person. So when you paste the coupon code there, the coupon code is like something like this. So when you paste it there, you choose your package, 5,000 naira package, and then click on terms and conditions. Then you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, the person's account will be registered successfully. And make sure you carefully look at these things so that you not make a mistake. Then you now go back and check your dashboard, and you have earned your 4,000 naira referral bonus. As easy as that.